Understanding, it made me nervous. A guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase that you might encounter in everyday conversations. It made me nervous. Understanding this phrase is key to grasping how emotions are expressed in English, and we're here to break it down for you. So, let's get started. The phrase, "it made me nervous," is used to describe a feeling of anxiety or discomfort caused by a specific situation, event, or person. When someone says this, they're telling you that something has affected them emotionally, making them feel uneasy or anxious. This phrase is a great example of how English speakers often use the structure, "it made me," followed by an emotion to talk about their reactions to external stimuli. 1. It refers to the cause of the nervousness. This could be anything: a person, a situation, an event, or even a thought. 2. Made is the past tense of the verb make, which in this context means to cause to be or to become something. 3. Me represents the person speaking. They are the one experiencing the emotion. 4. Nervous is the feeling being described. It's an adjective that means feeling anxious or apprehensive. Together, the phrase communicates that the speaker was affected by something that caused them to feel nervous. Understanding a phrase means knowing how to use it in real-life situations. Here are a few examples. Seeing the dog run towards me made me nervous. I'm not very comfortable around large animals. The thought of speaking in front of the class made me nervous. I'm not used to public speaking. The way that person was driving made me nervous. It seemed very unsafe. These examples show how versatile the phrase is, capable of being used in a variety of situations involving different causes of nervousness. English is a flexible language, and there are several ways to express the same idea. You might also hear, "it nervous me," less common, and may be considered incorrect by some speakers. "It got me feeling nervous." "It left me feeling nervous." Each of these variations can be used in similar contexts but might carry slight differences in tone or formality. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, "it made me nervous." We hope this video has helped clarify how to understand and use this expression in your own English conversations. Remember, practicing these phrases in context is key to becoming more fluent and confident in your language skills. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.